Hello and welcome to live number 33. My name is Oren Gabay, and today I'm going to show another case study of Autodesk licenses, and we will show the consequences of migrating to named licenses. Now, in the last two cases I showed, there was a quite efficient usage. This time is not so efficient, and I would also like to show example like this. So this is based on a real database, and I want to show you the period. It's about so this is wrong. It should be 217, but we don't have more. So let me fix it quickly. February 28, 217. So I'm talking about 217. I want to show that it's the same data. Yes. So we have many records. It's a long period. We have more than 4,000 sessions. If I go here and group by users, I can see I have 46 users in this period. But actually, I don't want to count everyone because some of them really don't use it a lot, and it's like almost a year. So let's drop the ones that are less than 10 hours. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. So I have 46. I will take off 13 of them. So I have actually 33 users over this period of usage. Now let's see how the usage looks like and the number of licenses, which is very important. So if we look here, we see a total amount of 23 licenses. And as you can see, the usage is far from being efficient. So there are a lot more licenses than we can actually use. By the way, it's Autodesk mechanical licenses. And it's very clear here. If we look on the heat map, for example, we can see, so green is 0, and getting to yellow, it's 50%. So as you can see, usage is very, very low level over the whole period. The last chart I would like to show is the license utilization, which is very important. We see for each number of licenses, the percent of time it's used, taking 24 hours. From the 24 hours, we can do that for working hours, but just to make it short, we'll skip that. And we can see that actually most of the licenses are not in use. So from 14 to 23, there is no usage at all. So now we have the data. We have 14 licenses and 33 users. Let's go to our calculator as we did in the past time. So we have 14 licenses and 33 users, very low ratio. The ratio is less than 2.5 users per license, which is very low. We will assume, let's take 1,000 per license for maintenance, and this is the cost of Autodesk Mechanical. So we can see the options. Actually, in this case, in very low ratio, the offer from Autodesk to trade is good. So 1 to 2, and I don't need to pay so much more. It's more than I paid, but actually take into account that this covers 28 people, and if you take if we continue to pay maintenance for the whole amount of licenses, 23, and even if we stay with the same low ratio, we can serve almost 70 users, which is much more. I'm getting much more usage for less money. But in any case, these are the options. This one is the cheapest. So if you pay maintenance for 1 year, even with the 20% penalty, and then use it as long as it's useful, then this is the lowest option. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening. I'm looking forward to meeting you in tomorrow's video. Thank you.